guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Scentsy Whiff Box for, is this the August box? I guess so. I didn't think I was getting one this month because they kept warning me that my credit card was going to expire on the website, and I was like, and I kept putting it off. Just updated it, and then they immediately said they sent it. So I think I still got it on time. But you can pause it like every other month, every couple months. I've been getting them back to back. Probably will through the end of the year to get some of the seasonal smells and scents, but probably will then go back to doing it like every other month. But they always send you a little brochure, for lack of a better word, and this one has little post-it notes of positive like little sayings on it, so that's cute. Alright, so let's take a look at what we got.
Okay.
There are some samples on top. It says Clothesline is the scent for both of them. We have a scent soft and a laundry liquid. Hey ma'am, no cheating. Let's see here. We have a mini fan diffuser. So I do have one of these. I think the one I have is white. And I haven't really utilized it that much because I don't have my office set up still.
So?
But this you can plug into like a USB plug. Oh, thank you. And I guess I was thinking put into like a laptop, but I guess if you had, you know, one of those plugs like your cell phone charger, you can use it as that. So maybe I will. So that one's in silver. And then, yeah, just a little tiny lightweight thing. And then you have these that go with it. So they sent us Cloudberry Dreams. Smell it, Raylan. Does that smell good?
It's like salt.
Ooh, I like it.
It smells good.
I like it. That's nice. So we have that, and then everything else they put in here. They also sent another, oh, it's wet. Hopefully that's just the, yeah, see, everything got a little wet. Probably just the ice pack. We'll find out in a minute. But this looks like the newest for sure. They have some Marvel items that look really, really cool, and a little Spider-Man guy. I'll have to take a look at that.
Here.
Should be bars, and hopefully they sent testers.
It's a little wet.
Yeah, it's a little wet. They sent them frozen so that these don't melt. So we have Scarlet Sunflower. You smell?
Good. Saw this one.
Yeah, that's not too bad. Has an interesting smell to it. Cashmere and Corduroy is a sample. Oh, it's hard to rip these open. Smell it.
It's like something good.
I like that one.
I saw this one.
And the other one is Scary Good. So this hopefully is a good fall scent. Let's see. What does it smell like?
It's like good. I saw this one.
Yes, that one's very heavy of like a clove.
This one saw pumpkin
like
spice.
a fall spice. Yeah, fall spice. So that's good. We'll be warming that one soon. So I can't remember how much these are, but this is probably like the bulk of the price is this. We only got one bar, where normally we sometimes get like 2 or 3, and then we got some sample pods, which are my favorite. Also forgot that my little helper snuck this out of the box. Also got a hand soap in the scent Jeweled Pomegranate. And these, though they look small, they do last a really long time. I like their hand soap. And then some laundry samples. That's what we got for this month. If you guys are interested in ordering anything or signing up for this, I do have a link below for the girl I use, and I have a party link going. If you want to order anything, you can order off of there. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.